Hi, my name is Angela Walker Campbell, and I am the mother of two children who are now 12 and 14. And my experiences with alternative medicine began when my son was very young. He was, I think, 3, and was very congested, had asthma-like symptoms. Our pediatrician told us that he had asthma. So what followed was a course of drugs, nebulizer, albuterol, steroids, you name it. And my husband and I just looked at each other and said, this kid is, he may have been 2.5, about to be 3. We can't give our child these kind of drugs. There's going to be some repercussions down the road, and we didn't feel comfortable about it, so we decided to look at other doctors, alternative doctors, and we found a doctor who did a few, not even a lot of tests, and realized that our son had an insensitivity to dairy, and told us to immediately take him off of dairy and to begin giving him things like rice milk. And we saw results immediately. He was able to stop taking, he was on a nebulizer maybe twice a day. He was able to stop all of that. Needless to say, we also quit the doctor that had been pushing all of the drugs. And then again, another situation I had when I was pregnant with my second child. She was breech, and it was getting close to my due date, and my OB/GYN had tried to move the baby manually, and thank goodness she was a doctor who was open to alternative treatments and suggested that I try acupuncture to turn her. And it was my first time going to an acupuncturist, so I was sort of like, really, is that going to work? But I'm very open-minded and went, and yeah, it worked. She was turned the right way and was able to be born in the correct position. So since then, I have always been, my first choice is to try the chiropractor or the Reiki or the alternative integrative physician because I'm just not a believer in drugs.